Here we are with the Skoda Yeti. It came back from Mitchell's in Chester last week. The entire car was wet on the passenger side, and it's been less than a week now, and as you can see, got condensation on the inside of the car. Mitchell stripped out the entire car, let it dry out for about 3 weeks, and then we had it back. They said that there was a problem with the sunroof cassette, and the water was dripping down this panel into the footwell, and all this part here was completely wet and damp, and all the electrics wouldn't work. The central locking didn't work or anything, still doesn't. This is the tube that Mitchell's gave us, and apparently it goes here to the sunroof cassette, and as you can see, there's a kink in the tube, and completely kinked both ways where it bends in the car. Now, just gonna blow down. Can you blow down there? You can't blow down at all, but if you open it and try blow down it now, you can hear the air going through. So that kink stopped any air going through. It's not gonna let any water go through. Anyway, the problem we have now is the centre console is full of water, and the carpets are all damp again. Now, I've read on the internet sometimes leaves in the vents here can cause that, and as you can see, it's completely clear on both sides. There's no leaves whatsoever, and apparently this centre console leak, according to the forums, is due to the cable ties being applied too tight, or the pollen filter, or something else. Whatever it is, it's going back to Mitchell's today, and let's hope they fix this. This car has had water ingress from very early in its life.